Hello guys, welcome back to this box. Let's solve today's POTD. So today's POTD is simple one. So we are given a linked list and we have to split in the two parts. Okay. Read the question first. So given a linked list heads like first point is given. Your task is to complete the function. If this function is given, you have to complete the function that splits the given linked list into two smaller lists. That sublist should be made from the alternating elements from the original linked list. Okay. Okay. The note is the sublist should be in order should be same and written दोनों जो you will get two pointers like two heads for the two separate linked list and you have to make the vector of them and return the vector. Okay, so here if you see here one so one linked list will look like this and another one the remaining one this one so this first and this is second, so we have to make this and return this and this, push them into a vector and return that vector. Okay, this is the ultimate question. So let's solve this question. I will explain the logic and then you will solve then we will move to coding part. Okay, so if you see here, this is the okay. Nothing is there means it is pointing to null. This happens. Okay. So now what we will do, suppose for first the head one is the head of the linked list 1 and head 2 is the head of linked list 2. So this is the head 1 and head 2 are heads of newly created linked list, like that linked list that you will create newly. Okay, I use separate pen. Okay, this is head 2. So we want alternate. Okay, so for this first one, what we will do, we will connect this and this to this and then this to this. Okay, this way and then this to this null. Okay, ultimately last will be null. Okay, for the second one, what we will do, we will connect this to this to this, and if there is nothing, we will just simply add null. If there is no null, we will add null. Okay, so this way we will create. What we will do, we will we will make two iterators, list 1 or list 2. List 1 is for this one and list 2 is for this one. Like we will this ultimately initially this is list 1, then we'll connect list 1 dot next to this one, then list 1 will be here, then we will connect list 1 dot next to this one, then we will move to list 1 here, then we will connect list 1 dot next is to null. For list 2, initially list 2 is here. Okay, then we will connect list 2 dot next to this and we will move the list 2 here. Okay, then we will connect list 2 dot next to this and we will move to list 2 here. So like for make connection we will move the list iterator, this list 1 and list 2 is the iterator that will move. Like after moving there I don't we know like this list 1 list 2 will be in somewhere in the end, but we want to return the head, so these are the heads that's why we have created these heads, because we will put these heads into vector and we will return. Okay, so and this is current iterator is the current. Okay, let me have different. Okay, this is a current, like each node will be in one of the linked list, like head 1 will be in this side, head this will be in this side, this one will in this side, this one will in this side. Okay, so this we will point, like this will be we will move. Okay, and we will keep some flag will be nothing but 0 or 1. So if flag is 1, add to it this list 1. If flag is 0, add to in list 2. And after iteration, we will swap this. Like after after pushing it, like after connecting it, we will change the flag value as 0. If it is 0, we will convert it to 1. If it is 1, we will convert it to 0. So this way, when we will here it is 1, we will add it to in this side. After adding this side, it became 0, then we will add here and it will become 1. So this way we will have handle. So this is the ultimate logic. Now let's come to the coding part. So coding is not difficult also. This question is a basic question and it is a good question for practicing the linked list. Okay. So this is the current pointer. As I mentioned here, current pointer is at list one. First node will be in list one. Okay. I have explained. This will be in list one. Okay. First one will be this side in list one. And this is the head of list two. List one. And this is can change further. List two and list one. This is list one. This is list two. Okay. एंड ये दोनों हो गए आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस और करंट विल शिफ्ट टू हियर यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है अपने को सो व्हाट विल बी करंट विल बी नथिंग बट करंट विल बी current dot next current dot next this will be a current for suppose if there are only one nodes or two nodes that's why the condition is there like suppose there is only one node then it will be null and this will not run and from here it will return okay so this that's why if suppose there are only two nodes this way only one or two this is current in starting this is current dot next and this is current dot next so in this case or we will reach here at null and this loop will not run and this is our list one this is our list two we will return from here suppose there is only one node then what will happen this is list one this is list two but current dot next where will be current dot next because null dot next is ambiguous like null dot next is not nothing now null dot next is not possible so that's why I am checking here if null dot next is there then only we shift to and then again do otherwise if there is only one point then this will if there is only one point there is a checkpoint for that okay okay this is the head one and head two okay now if you see here current dot next flag is one initially flag is one means we will add add this current point in the linked list one okay so we are at currently here and this is one list one and this is list two we will add this to this we will add so what we will do we will add list one dot next equal to current list one dot next equal to current and after that list one will move here so now next time is made करना okay if flag is 0 then means we connect this way if flag is 0 and list 2 will move here okay list 2 move here list 1 move here if you are adding in list 1 then list 1 it will move and if you are adding in list 2 it will move current will shift and like after adding this we will go to next one and flag will also change if it is 1 c here if it is 1 1 minus 1 0 and if it is 0 1 minus 0 1 so it will 0 to it will convert 1 and for 1 it will convert zeros you can check here 1 minus 0 1 1 minus 1 0 okay and for ultimately in the last we want null here like in both English we want null so if list one is not null we will add null here I am doing this is also important question important thing like list one is not null like suppose we are added like this okay we are adding like this okay so इसमें तो there is null लिखा है यहाँ से null आया वो हो गया but suppose in this case this we have done only this much then we want to connect this also to null so this way we are connecting this to null or otherwise if you don't write in this case it will work but I will suggest to write the like handle the edge case also so that it don't give you error so that's why I am adding null if it is not null okay and I am pushing the head one and head two in the vector and returning the vector okay so this is the question and it is a very simple question but you should know the core concept of linked list let me check without this part if it is working or not and you pause the video and tell me the time complexity and space complexity of this question this code and okay this is also working fine I think because you can see here if you don't add this thing it will give the errors okay it will not work correctly okay that's why we are adding this thing okay so if I run here add this part and now if we run this code okay this is passing the order so okay so this is the also important case handle this also okay okay guys then time okay so time complexity is what is the time complexity we are iterating over the complete linked list. So order and the time complexity, where n is the number of nodes in linked list, and we are creating two separate linked lists from the original linked list. So time complexity, space complexity is also order n. Okay. So these are the time complexity and space complexities. And guys, please subscribe the channel and like the video if you are finding my content useful. That these things keeps me motivated for the uploading solutions. Thank you. Bye.